Bad Gastein, nestled in the heart of the Austrian Alps, Bad Gastein stands as an enchanting retreat that seamlessly blends natural beauty, wellness traditions, and outdoor adventure. This renowned spa town, situated in the Gastein Valley, has captured the hearts of travelers for centuries, offering a diverse range of activities and attractions that cater to a wide spectrum of interests. A highlight of Bad Gastein is its thermal springs, which have been renowned for their healing properties since the 19th century. The Felsentherm Thermal Spa, situated within the heart of the town, allows visitors to luxuriate in the warm, mineral-rich waters while surrounded by dramatic cliffs and panoramic alpine views. This relaxing haven offers a variety of saunas, steam rooms, and pools that provide the ultimate rejuvenating experience. Beyond its wellness offerings, Bad Gastein is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. In the winter, the region transforms into a winter wonderland with access to the Gastein ski area, offering a range of slopes for skiers and snowboarders of all levels. The Stubnerkogelang-Gürtelschlossalm ski circuit provides an opportunity to explore the picturesque landscapes while enjoying world-class skiing. In the summer, the Gastein Valley unveils a lush paradise for hikers and mountain bikers, with trails that meander through alpine meadows, dense forests, and to picturesque peaks. The cascading waterfalls and panoramic viewpoints add to the charm of outdoor exploration. Cultural experiences abound in Bad Gastein as well. The historic Belle Époque architecture, characterized by grand hotels and ornate buildings, harkens back to the town's glamorous past. Visitors can learn about the town's history and cultural heritage at the Gastein Museum. For those seeking artistic inspiration, the Art Residency Gastein provides a platform for artists to immerse themselves in the serene alpine environment. Culinary explorations in Bad Gastein are equally enticing, with an array of restaurants and cafes offering Austrian delicacies and international cuisine. From cozy mountain huts serving traditional alpine dishes to upscale dining establishments, food enthusiasts will find a range of options to satisfy their palates. Bad Gastein's unique blend of natural beauty, wellness traditions, and cultural richness makes it a destination that captivates all who visit. Whether you're unwinding in the thermal waters, exploring the alpine trails, or immersing yourself in the town's history and art scene, Bad Gastein offers an unforgettable experience that celebrates both relaxation and adventure in the heart of the Austrian Alps.